and you slide it down. You drop it there. Then you see that there's this gray stuff over here where my mouse is moving, not on the white screen. So you click on this and you drag it right. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you got to click it again. You see there's no more delay now. So else, if you've got that in, I'll accentuate. Basically, as this video comes along, it fades it in and out. You don't want it to fade in and out. You want it to be clean. There we go. Now you click on this, you click Command C, which is to copy. You then move to the side over here. You go Command V, not close enough, so I'll almost do it like that. Command V, like you keep on pressing Command V, it's like shortcuts. Okay, now you see it's gone over. So I'll click on this one, I'll then pull this back, and it'll automatically jump in place. Now, as you can see, there's no audio to this video. If I was to show you, there's no audio at all. But what I do is I edit the video to shorten up the video as much as possible. So if I zoom out like this a bit, you go across, you see there's no audio file. So I click over here on the left, you can see. I'll then click this button over here. I'll say record, and I'll click record over there. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. We're busy recording a video. We're talking about the rules of exponents. So when you have a to the power of n, it means that you have to say a times a times a n times. You see that for me that was a bit too short. So I'll need to go and actually extend that. I'm going to stop that now, and it'll render. So we found out that this part was too short, so I need to click here. See, I could extend it even further. I could say, okay, cool. So rules of exponents. So when you have another thing is spacebar presses pause. So if you want to edit this even further, you go onto your sound, you click up top over here. Then you go reduce background noise. You slide this up to 100%, and you take this to make it flat. You can instantly see there's a difference over there. And if you listen, it means that you have to say a times a times a n times. You see that for me that was a bit too short. So I'll need to go and actually extend that. It's much clearer, isn't it? Okay. So with that said, I'm going to delete this now. So I click on it, I click backspace, so I delete that. And click play, let's see what we've got in time-wise. So I'll say a to the n means a times a times a. If you've got a to the naught, it equals 1. If you've got a to the minus n, it means 1 over a to the n. So I still feel like that needs to be a little bit longer. So I'll drag that a bit further. Let's see if that helps. Okay, so that